I bought this entire set just for the frog purse. That's it, guys. This whole thing was a hoax. Yo guys, we're back with the sibling makeovers. Has it taken me forever to get to the next one? Yes it has, and mostly because of my indecisiveness. But we're back, finally, and this involves none other than the Barbie cutie reveal. If you guys are wondering how this is going to come together, consider yourself in good company, because I don't know either. First of all, confessions, I have already opened her and taken a peek at her.
Come out of your Pringle container.
I didn't want to be like, I have not looked at her yet, so yeah, that's not gonna work. If you want to see more makeovers like this, then don't forget to, if you want to. Bye! So to avoid that, I did already take a look at her, and unfortunately ran into the same problem. Goodbye. Just kidding, guys. She's gonna work. Wow, presents! Whatever. I'm kidding. Of course I want presents. What? I'm kidding. This is all I wanted. I take back what I said. I bought this entire set just for the frog purse. That's it, guys. This whole thing was a hoax. This is all I wanted. Peekaboo. Those are kind of cute. And a sweet little fuzzy skirt. Fun little gifts. Right, this was a makeover video. This is the doll I'm going to be using to be making my older sister. Wonder how she feels about being a frog dog. Anyway, this is gonna take some work. Why does she have stars on her lips? So many questions we have. But first, why is the lighting in here so weird? I love her hair. It's so soft and long. We're obviously gonna chop probably a lot of it off, but I love it and I don't want to replace it. But my sister doesn't have strange strands of pink hair back here. The solution to almost every problem with Barbie dolls is to take their heads off. Yay! First, I'm going to be separating the pink hair from the brown hair. So yes, if you're already thinking this makeover is definitely not as extreme as my last one. It just involves some different problems, like this pink hair. So like I mentioned, this is going to be my older sister. I was super excited when I found this face mold because I saw it, I'm like, that's Glory, which is my sister's name. I was just so happy I was able to find one that matched so well, and the hair color was also perfect. Quite frankly, I think that went really well. I'm not gonna replace the hair. Her hair is super thick and voluminous, and I don't think that row is hurting anything. You can barely see it. So that's the hair, guys. So of course, she needs a made-to-move body. We are using this tall, made-to-move basketball player Barbie. Will she match? Man, she is just slightly darker. On camera, I don't know if you guys can even tell. I already think she looks like my sister, which is a good sign, which means we did excellent on the face molds. We are now gonna trim her hair. It's super long. It's so pretty, isn't it? It's so beautiful. I love the color, but it is way too long, so we're gonna trim that up. Since it was really long and kind of curly, it's a little bit poofy, as you guys can see, so I am gonna boil wash it, but instead of dipping her head in the bowl, I'm gonna pour it over her to get it to lay flat. It'll still have those waves in it, which is good because we want those. But I'm gonna go do that in my sink, and I have to take her clothes off, so I won't be showing you guys that. Her hair is laying straight now. I obviously cut uneven, so we're gonna fix that up. So now we just have to wait for that to dry. Her hair is almost dry. Yeah, okay, not really. Anyway, we are painting her eyes and her lips now. The painting, not exactly my strongest skill. But I just wanted to paint these literally kind of like the same color as they were before, just without all those sparkles. Same with the lips. I always do tell you guys that me and my sisters are like the Barbie sisters. At least I think so. Especially with our personalities, I feel. It's a little strange. And my sister Glory, not surprisingly, is most like Barbie. Not just because she's the oldest. She's always been a leader. She is so strong. She is a hard worker. She has such a put-together Barbie-ish style. Yay! Nothing like getting lipstick on your teeth. Like all of my sisters, I find them truly inspiring, and that's why I'm so happy I was able to do this makeover. I was real happy with the way it came out. Wow, the light is... Oh, get out of here. So guys, this is how her face turned out. I'm very happy with it. I felt like the eye repaint went very well. Probably one of my best. I don't know. Now you know what it's time for. The fashion show. I'm gonna give her a few outfits that really fit her personality. For this makeover, I raided my little sister's Barbie clothes stash, and I literally have no clothes compared to her. Like, look at this, guys. The potential. And it was a little difficult to find outfits for her style. My sister, I feel, is very elegant. Obviously she's beautiful. And so, you know, I wanted the best of both worlds, so I came up with a few outfits. I'm gonna show them to you guys on this up. I'm kind of upset. I've been over here for the past 15 minutes trying to search for a gray t-shirt dress that I made that has just for some reason decided to vanish into thin air. The only other option was this. I wanted it to be a cute little t-shirt dress, and now I'm really sad. I even tore apart my entire box of Barbie dolls. I really had higher expectations. I found it. I think I'm gonna go with this white bag. Guys, real quick, I forgot to pierce her ears, so one moment. The next look, slightly more casual, but still, my sister always looks nice. I love this outfit. I love this jacket. I love these shoes. It's perfect. The final look, the most casual and laid back, is just a pair of black leggings and this gray t-shirt that I sewed a very long time ago, and it's very low quality, okay? I know it looks not great, but that's what I had to work with, and I like that this outfit it works. It looks cute. And that's it, guys. That is the final outfit for today. And if you're like, wow, you guys really don't look like sisters, you'd be correct, because we don't. We look completely different from each other, completely unique. And that's what makes these makeovers so fun. This one was definitely a lot different than my past ones, but I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please subscribe. I have one more sister to do, so stay tuned for that. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all next time. Bye!